How are you? Oh, fine. Yep. So, I had uploaded a shorts on arithmetic progression that how the question is. Let us see. The question was that we need to find we need to find which term of the given AP. We have the series of arithmetic progression, that is 121, 117 as the second term, and the third term 113, and so on. We need to find which term of the given AP is its first negative number, right? We need to find the term of the number which is lying under the given AP, which is a member of the given arithmetic progression. That number need to be find out, which is its first negative number, right? Now we know that any nth term of an AP can be calculated very easily by using the formula a plus n minus 1 into d, right? We know that the nth term of AP is equal to, you know the formula, it's a plus n minus 1 into d. What is d over here, and what is a, and what is n? A is the first term of the AP, which is 121, which you can see, right? So the first term of the AP is 121, so A is 121, right? And n, we have, let us assume the nth term, which is as per the formula, is the first negative number of this AP. Then a plus n minus 1 into d will be that negative term, which is the first in the given series of AP, right? Now n, just put it as it is. N will be the nth term and d is the common difference, right? Common difference. How the common difference is calculated? Common difference is calculated by just use any of the term, take any of the term and subtract the preceding, any number which is prior to that into the series. So here the common difference is calculated as a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2 or so on, right? So what is a2 over here? A2 is the second term, which is 117, right? So 117 minus the first term, which is a1, that is 121. So what will be the value? You can see the value. This value will be same when we subtract a2 from a3, right? What is the value of a3? a3 is the third term, which is 113. So 113 minus the a2 the second term, which is 117. Now subtract it from 113. You can see in both the case the common difference is always same, that is equal to, just calculate it, you get the value of minus 4, right? Minus 4 over here also and over here also. So the value of d will be minus 4, right? Now in the nth term formula, we know the value of a, we know the value of d, right? Now we need to find the first negative number. Dear students, we know that any number which is negative is always less than equal to 0, right? So the value of a plus n minus 1 into d, whatever it is, this should be always less than 0, right? I have uploaded the shorts of the same, so you can follow the same, but I am explaining it in details over here so that any queries I will most likely to answer. I am most welcome to answer. Of A is 121, right? And N we need to find. So this is a variable to us. Minus 1 into D. What is the value of D? We have calculated the value of D as minus 4. So put it over here. This value should be equal less than 0. Less than. This is the sign of less than. Now just solve it. In the LHS of the inequality, we have 121 plus n into minus 4. This is equal to minus 4n, and minus 1 into minus 4 will be equal to minus minus plus, and 1 into 4 equal to 4. So this will be equal to plus 4. And all this value will be less than equal to 0. Less than 0, not equal to, sorry. Because this is a negative term. Because this is the negative number which is coming into the series of given AP, which is in our question. Now, add the constants together. So 121 plus 4, that will be coming as 125, and minus 4n will be as it is, and the inequality sign less than, and here 0. Now push this minus 4n to the RHS of the inequality. Then what we will left with? Here we can say, put up the inequality sign, and here it will be 4n, right? And into the LHS we are left with 125, right? I don't think any doubt over here till now, right? Fine. So how to calculate the value of n? Bring this 4 from RHS to the denominator of LHS. Then we are left with 125 by 4, which is less than n. Now calculate it. 4, 3, 12, 4, 1, 4, 31.25. The natural number, the next natural number next to 31.25, what is that? It is 32. 32nd term of AP is negative, right? 32nd term of AP is negative. So we are able to calculate which term of the AP is negative, right? And what is the value of that negative number, negative term of that AP? That will be equal to A of 32. Use the same formula, that is A plus n minus 1 into D, where the value of n will be 32, right? So now taking a separate sketch pen, A of 32 is equal to A plus 32 minus 1 into D. What is the value? It's minus 4. You can see here, right? Now what is the value of A? It's 121. You can see here. So put up the value. 21 plus 32 minus 1, that is equal to 31 into minus 4. This will be the first negative term. Now calculate it. 121 minus 414, 43, 12, right? So 414, 43, 12, right? So the number is minus 3, right? So minus 3 is the first negative number of the given AP, right? So thank you students, thanks for joining, and I will always welcome for any type of questions you want to put up over here. I will also activate the live chat option once I am familiar with, right? So hope this question is clear to you. for any query, you can come and put up into the comment box, and always like and subscribe to my channel. And happy learning. Take care. Bye bye. I will come up with other shorts and other videos, and with a clear explanations of those on a live session, right? Thank you so much, students. Bye bye. Take care. Yeah, we can wait for few other students who will join and can put up their queries, right? So I think we can end this session. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye.